Welcome back. Now, SQL can also have functions. And I'm going to show you 3 of the most popular, most common ones in this video. Just to check what we have in our table, well, we have users. And if I do select star users, oh, I forgot to use from, we have our users. Now, let's say we wanted to get the average score of the users. We can do that by saying select average and give the column name inside of average. Let's say score from users table. So you can see that our function, just like in JavaScript, has the function name and then the brackets around the column that we want. Let's press enter. And look at that. Average is 84.5. Very cool. What other functions do we have? Let's say we wanted to get the sum of everybody's age. I can invoke the sum function and find out that we have an accumulated sum of 132. And then finally, there's also count, another useful one. And if we want to find out how many users we have in our database, we can just say count name. And we have 4 active users with our game. All right, we got to work on that to increase that number. Perfect. There's a few more functions that you can use, but these are probably the most common. You can already imagine some of the power that comes with these values. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.